Team Enrile. Now, presenting to you the starting lineup for the Team Amulong. Frelwin Takulog. Nandito ngayon si Frelwin Takulog. Kikita natin ngayon maglalaro for Team Amulong. Ayan. Tignan natin ngayon ang isang mainit na naman na bakbakan sa volleyball court play between Enrile and Amulong. Number 12 ng Enrile serving. Takulog was blocked. Another hit and bang for Frelwin Takulog. Point. First point for the Team Amulong, courtesy of Frelwin Takulog. Number 19 serving for Team Amulong to the opposite on the side of Enrile, and that goes wide, so that's in for Team Enrile. So all one po ang ating score. Jerwin Danao. No check. Corpus. The opposite, andun si Takulog. Block! So point now for the Team Enrile. Corpus. Miss a set ng Amulong. Chance ball for Team Amulong. Takulog through the block. To the opposite. Oh! That was a short ball hit from the opposite side of Team Enrile. So score po natin for the serving one. That goes long, so outside on the side of Team Enrile. So point goes to Team Amulong. Score po natin 2-4. Trap ball. Opposite. Binigay kay Takulog. Oh! Miss communication between the opposite hitter and the middle blocker of the Team Amulong. Yeah, Takulog.
Log G.
Nakuha ng libero. Magno! Nakuha ni Corpus. Oh! What a dig, pero outside the court. Sayang on the side of Amulong. Yan ang word ni Jerwin Danao. Sayang. So again, kikita natin dito. Si Mangan, binigay ang bola kay Danao. Nice coverage by the Olivero. Binigay ang bola kay Frelwin Takulog now. Breaks down the wall. Nasa service line ngayon si Frelwin Takulog, wearing jersey number 8. Ooh! Service error. Sayang yung serve. Naghahabol ngayon ang Team Amulong with a score of 3-7 in favor of Team Enrile. Short. Simangan. Oh, that goes outside. So point for Team Amulong. Jerwin Danao on the service line. Mayroong clash ata, I guess. On the side of Enrile. Ayan, mukhang okay naman na siya. Ang kanilang setter. Nakuha. Good luck. Magno. France and yes sir. Grabing power yun for France Magno on the side of Enrile. Service. Corpus was there. That's another point for Team Enrile. Courtesy of their setter wearing jersey number 12. Our score now is 9-4. Timeout, Team Amulong. Nine 9-4 po ang ating score. Number 5 on the service line. That goes outside for Team Enrile. So point goes to Team Amulong. Antolin on the service line. Tinarget ang libero. Easy pass. Antolin hinabol. Simangan. Chance ball na naman ng Enrile. Running attack. And that goes outside. No check for France Magno. Running attack kanina yon. Pakalakas pero the court so narrow for him. Quick attack. That's outside still for Team Enrile. Antolin still on the service line. That's very short. Masyadong nagmadali si Antolin for that service. Pumasok ngayon ang kanilang libero on the side of Amulong. Now, France Magno serving. Targeting Simangan. Setter goes to the open. And yes, sir! Jersey number 5, courtesy of their middle blocker. Simangan now serving for Amulong. France. Simangan. Binigay sa open. Oh! That's so wide for Team Amulong. So point goes to Team Enrile. The setter. Frelwin again. Yes, sir. Check ball po. So, score po natin, 9-11. Nakuha pa rin. Quick attack. Simangan was there. Miss receive. Drop ball. Nakuha pa rin ng libero. Tindi ngayon ng depensa ang pinapakita ng both teams. Another block. Oh! May crossing violation on the side of Team Amulong. So point goes to Team Enrile. Score po natin 12-9. Danao. They're asking now for a check ball. Point goes to Team Amulung. Lumabaw. That's a very long. The point goes to Team Enrile. Technical timeout. So again, you are watching live the Apong Volleyball, the All Cagayano Volleyball Conference. Hosted, of course, by the municipality of Alcala. And back to the ball game. And service pa rin ng Enrile. 13-10. Corpus, easy ball. To the opposite. Frelwin. Oh! There was a net touch, a violation. Sabi ni Frelwin, buti na lang. Kung hindi nagkaroon ng violation on the side of Enrile, outside yung hit na yon ni Frelwin Takulog. Jump serve. Frelwin Takulog. Very strong. Oh! And Franz Magno. Yes, sir. What a cat shot for Franz Magno. Grabe tong batang to. Small but terrible, no? Talented si Franz Magno on playing volleyball. Really. Open. Simangan. Ginamit niya rin ang net. Ayan. So, point goes to Team Amulung. Sabi niya, oh my God. Jerwin Danao. Franz Magno again. Oh, that goes outside. Yeah. So they are asking for a line ball. And so nagkakaroon ngayon ng clarification between the linesman and the referees. So, point for Team Enrile. So, 15-12 ang ating score. Corpus. To the opposite. Trap ball. Franz Magno again. Trap ball. Jerwin. Short. Setter ang nag-receive. Oh! Miscommunication on the side of Enrile. Pero naiangat ang bola ng Amulung. Simangan! Nakuha na itaas ang bola. Jerwin Danao. Sa gitna. Binigay. Antolin was there. Again! Oh! There was a net error. So hindi na ipasok ni Franz ang kanyang bola. So that point goes to Team Amulung. Still on the service line. Danao. Targeting the libero. Setter. Quick attack. Good ball. Naitaas ni Danao. Oh! Frelwin Takulog, what a placing for that ball hit. Sumabit sa net, pero tumawid pa rin ang bola. Jeremy Danao still. Ooh! Point for Team Amulong. So, score po natin is all of 15. So, timeout for Team Enrile. Hindi ngayon ng pinapakita ng magkabilang team. All 15 po tayo, mga kaibigan. Danao serving, targeting the libero, Baborang to the opposite. Franz Magno was blocked, pero good. Naitas ang bola. Derwin Danao again. Oh! There was a net touch violation, so point goes to Team Amulong. Danao still serving for one Amulong. Short service, so that's a service ace for Jeremy Danao, wearing jersey number 6 on the side of the Amulong MVT. Service error for Jeremy Danao. France, ooh! Service ace for Franz Magno, wearing jersey number 3. Back row hit for Takulog, pero illegal attack. Sinapa kanyang back row line. So point goes to Team Enrile. Franz Magno. Corpus to the open. Oh! Point for Team Amulong, courtesy of Simangan. Antolin serving. Good receive. Open. To the block. Oh! That goes outside for that coverage on the side of Team Enrile. Danao. Drop ball for Lumabaw. Cut shot, but that goes outside for jersey number 8. Miss receive. Hinabol ang kanilang setter pero hindi nakaya. So point goes to Team Amulong. Score po natin 21-18. Uy, pass ball. Oh, net touch violation by the middle blocker ng Amulong, wearing jersey number 9. That's Lumabaw. The setter now goes for the service for Enrile. Simangan. Good ball. Pinigay. Oh! Nagkaroon ng miscommunication sa side ng Team Amulong, mga kaibigan. Nagkatinginan na lang sila. So point goes to Team Enrile. Isa na lang. Lumabaw. Oh, net error. So, scoreboard natin is all 21 mga kaibigan. Yun, apat na lang. Yeah, 4. 4 more to go bago matapos ang first set of the game. Corpus, misreceive. Takulog was there. Franz Magno binigay. Middle and yes sir! Pamitan, wearing jersey number 1. So lamang na po ng isa ang Team Enrile. Back to the ball game. Number 12 serving. Targeting Magulod. Middle. Masyado mago pero nakuha pa rin yung lumabaw. Ayun! Nakuha ni Frelwin Tagalog. What a dig! Naibigay pa rin ng maayos yung bola. Chance ball. The opener was there. Black touch. Takulog. Oh! That is inside for that back row hit courtesy of Frelwin Takulog. Grabe ang adjustment ang ginawa ni Frelwin. Simangan targeting the libero. Opposite. Cat shot but there was no block touch on the side of Amulung. So point goes to Team Amulung. 23-22 mga kaibigan ang ating score. Simangan. Quick attack and yes sir! Number 8 ng Enrile. That was a very strong hit. All 23 mga kaibigan. Sino kaya ang tatapos ng first set of the game? Magulod, number 26, setter to Frelwin Takulog. Naiangatan pa rin ang bola. Tignan natin. Second ball and yes sir! Grabe. Frelwin Takulog giving on breaking the walls of Team Amulung. So set point po tayo mga kaibigan. Franz Magno nireceive ang bola to the opposite. Trap ball. Takulog again. Good ball. Simangan was there. Danao. Takulog. Oh! Takulog down to Franz Magno. Hindi niya naangat niya Franz Magno ang bola ni Takulog. So that ends the game for the first set with a score of 25-23. there you have it, friends. For our live viewers, we are now back to the ball game for the second set play between Amulong and Enrile. Again, you are watching the Apong Volleyball, the All Cagayano Conference, the biggest volleyball league in the province. Open hit. Magno was there. Danao for that coverage. Simangan for the top spin. Yes, sir. First point of the second set of the game goes to Team Amulong courtesy of Simangan. Pamitan to the setter. To Franz Magno. Ginamit niya ang kamay ni Lumabaw. Small but terrible ang labanan ngayon dito. Compare po sa height ang dalawa. Si Magno and Lumabaw. Blockers out kanina yon. Tignan natin. Running attack naman for Simangan. Grabe naman yun. What a shadow play for Team Amulong. Kaya nabitawan ng blockers ng Enrile. Oh, ayan. Ginamit rin ng middle blocker ng Enrile. Si Guzman ang kamay ng Team Amulong for that hit. Guzman now serving for Team Enrile. Simangan. Open! Yes, sir! Grabe. Grabe yung mga paluan ngayon ang nakikita natin between Takulog and Magno. So, point for Team Amulong. Score po natin 4-2. Dalida. To the opposite. Point for that hit for Team Enrile. Now, serving on the service line is Franz Magno. Misread na itaas pa rin ang kanilang captain. Oh, Takulog trying to run for that ball, pero hindi umabot. So still, Franz Magno on the service line. Middle. Magno was there. Blockers out! Grabe! Itong mga players ng Enrile, no? Maliliit, pero grabe naman yung mga skills na pinapakita nila ngayon laban sa napakatangkad na middle blocker ng Amulong na si Lumabaw wearing jersey number 9. That service goes outside, so point up for Team Amulong. So now Lumabaw on the service line. Kakutan. Opposite. Yes, sir! Gakutan ngayon, nagpapakitang gilas. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not Gakutan, it's Pamitan. I mispronounced your family name. Sorry, sir. Opposite, Takulog was there. Jerwin Danao, oh! That hit by the setter, Maborang, on the side of Enrile. Pamitan still on the service line. That was a back row attack, so illegal. Illegal attack po yun, no? Good ball pa rin. Kapitana, binigay ng bola sa open. And that's blockers out. So point goes to Team Amulong. Now Frelwin Takulog nasa likod na for the service. Jump serve for Frelwin Takulog. Bigat ng bola na yun Pero easy ball, sabi ni Bakutan ng ang libero. Na maborang. Open, si Mangan down the line. Setter, binigay sa open. Drop ball, pero bantay sarado. Jerwin Danao, Ferlwin Takulog. Oh! There was an attack error by si Mangan, the team captain of Amulung. So that point goes to Team Enriles. Score pa natin, 9-6. Basig, serving. Niangat pa rin ang bola. Si Mangan. Oh! That was a block. So point goes to Team Amulung. Time out for Team Amulung. Score po natin, 10-6. Now we are back for the continuation of the game. Dalida for Team Enrile. Simangan. Bakutan was there. Delibero. Franz Magno. And that goes outside. That was a blockers out. So point goes to Team Enrile. Again, same true. Blockers out din po ang pinapakitang laro and technique ng Team Amulong and Enrile. So, however, that point goes for Team Amulong. Libero trying to set that ball to Franz Magno, but that goes outside. Ano? Nag-adjust Galing kasi sa likod yung set. So, as a volleyball player also, mahirap mag-adjust pag ang set ay galing sa likod. Back quick. That's a quick attack. Having bilis ng kamay tsaka mga spikers. Maborang. Jersey number 12 on the side of Enrile serving. Danao, easy receive. Nabawas there. France. Drop ball. Danao to the open. Ground ball. Point goes to Team Amulong. 11-15. Now, Takulog. Nasa harapan na. Franz Magno. Oh. May tawag bigla ang referee. That's a back row hit, a legal attack rather, for Team Enrile. So Simangan still on the service line. Magno to open. Off spin. Naisahan nila doon ang Team Amulong, waiting for that hard hit sana. Pero nakita ng Owen Spiker na butas ang gitna ng Amulong. Takulog. Nakuha nila Bao. Oh, isang regalo. So, cat shot for Team Amulong at Enrile. Grabe, nakaka-tense tong laban na to. Open. Nakuha na yung down the line niya. Frelwin Takulog. Tignan natin kung kanino pa rin bibigay. Nakuha pa rin ang bola. Franz Magno. Simangan nasa likod. Quick attack and yes, sir! Lumabaw wearing jersey number 9 for that hard hit. Quick attack. Grabe mga kaibigan. Ang lakas nun. Scoreboard natin 13-17. Naiangat pa rin ang bola. Pamitan. Oh! Simangan trying to set that ball to Frelwin Takulog pero na-miss hit. So the ball goes outside. Nabawi agad ng Team Enrile. Now Franz Magno on the service line. Targeting Frelwin Takulog. Now giving to the open. Danao pa rin to that spin kay Takulog. Back. Set! Oh! That point was given by Pamitano wearing jersey number 2. Grabe mga kaibigan, yung mga pinapakitang depensa ng magkabilang grupo, nakaka-tense tong larong ito. Kumbaga, labanan ng David and Goliath. Pero sino kaya would always be the team for small but terrible, or still the Goliath team will win for this game, for today's scheduled activity. Now we are back to the ball game. Next game po natin is Alcala versus Iging. So still Franz Magno on the service line. Then natin open Jerwin Danao. Net touch violation by jersey number 1. Pamitan. 14-19. Lumabaw. Now Takulog. That top spin pero nakuha pa rin ni Maborang. Oh! What a block by jersey number 5 on the side of Enrile Basig. That goes in. So point for Team Enrile. Score po natin is 20-14. Nakuha pa rin. Good coverage but outside. Grabe. Binabantayan nila si Takulog ngayon. May substitution. Ayan. Lalabas ngayon si Frelwin Takulog. Papasok. Jersey number 20. Ooh. Antolin for that easy swift. It's a point for Team Amulong. 15-21. Easy ball naman. Open. Corpus. Andun ang libero ng Amulong. Bumalik ang bola. And there is a crossing violation for that running attack on the side of Enrile. Now there is a substitution on the side of Enrile. Score po natin 16-21. Jersey number 20. Magno, naitaas ang bola. Quick attack, but that goes outside through the hands of the middle blocker on the side of Amulong. Pamitan to the setter opposite. Andun sa kanilang libero ng on the side of Amulong. Now Simangan. Blockers out. Sa point for Team Amulong. Ayan, humahabol na ngayon ang Amulong. 18-22. Time out for Enrile. Next game po natin, Alcala versus Igig. Back to the ball game mga kaibigan. Jerwin Danao. Tangilan to Franz Magno through the net. Yes sir. So 23-18 mga kaibigan ang ating score courtesy of Franz Magno. Tangilan now serving. Open. There was Simangan. So point goes to Team Amulong courtesy of Simangan. 19-23 mga kaibigan. Antolin to the libero. Setter to the Franz Magno. Miss set. Kaya hindi na rin naitawid niya Franz Magno ang bola. So 20-23 mga kaibigan ang ating score. 3 na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Enrile kontra Amulong. Quick attack. Setter to the opener. Franz Magno, that kind of attack that goes outside. Open again. Franz Magno. Nayangat pa rin ang bola. Simangan. Open to Franz Magno. To Simangan. Targeting the libero. And yes, sir! Courtesy of Franz Magno for that set point. Ang score po natin na 24-21, set point for Team Enrile. That goes very long. So score po natin 22-24. Simangan. Nandun si Danao. Simangan. Oh! Masyadong napalakas ang top spin ng opener ng Amulong. So that gave them a decision match between Amulong and Enrile. So again, you are watching the Apong Volleyball, the All Cagayano Volleyball Conference, the biggest volleyball league in the province. Next game po natin mga kaibigan, Igig versus Alcala. Now we are back for the decision set between Enrile and Amulong. Tignan natin na kanino kaya ang huling halakhak between this game. Service ng Amulong by Simangan. Franz Magno for that hit. Oh, yes sir. Nagawan pa rin niya ni Franz Magno yung set na yon. Despite na nagkaroon ng misreceive. Naitawid pa rin ang bola. The setter now serving for Enrile. Hit ball. Middle. Ayun. Courtesy of the middle blocker of Team Enrile. Scoreboard natin 2-0 leading ang Enrile. Simangan. Open. Yes, sir! Jersey number 20 on the side of Amulung. 1, serving 2. 1-2. Gakutan. To the opposite. To the open. Nakuha ng libero. Tumawa lang ang libero. Oh! There was a net touch violation by jersey number 8. Guzman on the side of Enrile. Grabe yun. Ang lakas kasi ng palo ng open sa side ng Enrile. Pero naputo nga ng libero din ng Amulung. Pamitan. Top spin. Binigay sa open. Trap ball. Jaws. Now si Mangan trying to set that ball. Nandun pa rin yung setter. Now Franz Magno trying to, yes, that's good ball. So point goes to Team Enrile, courtesy of Franz Magno. Now Guzman serving for Enrile. That was an easy point for Franz Magno. Ginagamit niya ngayon ang kamay ng middle blocker ng Amulung. Jerwin Danao. May na-block pero naitas pa rin ang bola. Now chance ball for Team Enrile. Patong Pamitdan. Yes, sir! Grabe, si Pamitan ngayon nagpapakitang gilas. Kanina pa siya sa middle. Now Guzman serving. Simangan. Ginamitan din ng middle hit. So point for Amulung. 3-5 mga kaibigan ng ating score. Dalida. Patong ulit. Oh! That point for Franz Magno. Through the block. Now serving Magno. Service ace! Service ace mga kaibigan. Courtesy of Franz Magno, still on the service line. Good receive. Binigay sa open for Danao. Naiangat ang bola. Top spin. Angat ang bola. Easy point for Team Enrile. Still on the service line. Franz Magno. But there was a call for timeout on the side of Amulung. Score po natin as 8-3 in favor of Enrile. You are watching, guys, the decision set for Enrile and Amulung live here at Teresita Antonio Municipal Gymnasium, Alcala, Cagayan. Franz Magno pa rin on the service line. We are back now on the game. Takulog. Oh! What a cross shot by Frelwin Takulog. Score po natin 4-8, mga kaibigan. Oh! Service error by jersey number 20. Now, Pamitan. Serving. Takulog. Jerwin Danao. Good pa rin. Oh. Chance ball ngayon ng Mulong. Simangan. Pamitan to Franz Magno for that hit. And that goes so wide for Team Enrile. So point goes to Mulong. Now Danao serving. Wearing jersey number 6. Magno. Open. Takulog hitting the middle. And yes sir, grabing panglihis yun ni Frelwin Takulog. Nakita niya na may blocker siya sa gitna, kaya nilis ang bola. Magno. Open ulit. Oh! Through the hands of the blocker. So that goes outside. So point for Team Enrile. Score ba natin? 10 serving 6. Basig. Muntik na magkaroon ng services doon. There was a net touch of violation by jersey number 8, Guzman, sa part ng Enrile. So that point goes to Team Mulong. Now, Frelwin Takulog on the service line. 7, serving 10. Jump serve for Takulog. Oh! Service error po mga kaibigan ang nangyari. So that point goes to Enrile. Now, Dalida serving. Setter goes to Franz Magno for that drop. Yes, sir! 7-11. Still in favor of Team Mulong. Dalida serving. Danao. Easy receive. Running attack pero drop. Nayangat pa rin ang bola. Palo. Meron nandun si Simangan. To open. Franz Magno. Cut shot. Yes, sir! Grabe. 13-7 mga kaibigan ang ating score. Lamang na lamang po ang Team Enrile. Grabe, ngayon ang pinapakitang talent ng Team Enrile kontra Mulong. Next game po natin mga kaibigan, Alcala versus Igig for the men's volleyball division. Now we are back to the ball game. Dalida was there. Franz Magno. Nayangan ang bola. Oh! Grabe. Pagka-talented talaga ni Magno ngayon. Pinapakita para makalayo ang team niya. So, 7 ngayon ang kalamangan ng Team Enrile. 7-14 mga kaibigan. And yes, sir! Lumabaw through the hands of the middle blocker of Team Enrile. Now, Simangan on the service line. 8-14 mga kaibigan. Magno. To the opposite, Pamitan. Nakuha ni Simangan. And that's lumabaw again, ladies and gentlemen. Grabe. Nagpapakitang gilas din naman ngayon si Lumabaw on the side of Amulong. Simangan serving. Pamitan. Good receive. No. Takulog was there. Pamitan. To Franz Magno. Takulog was there also. What a dig by Takulog. Miscommunication. Now, Franz Magno. Yes, sir! Grabe. Grabe itong batang to, mga kaibigan. Franz Magno. Kahit yung set ay galing sa likod, nagagawa niya pa rin ng paraan. Score natin, mga kaibigan, 15-9. Ayan. 6 na po, mga kaibigan, ang kalamangan ng Team Enrile. Maborang serving. Oh! That was block. Timeout for Team Amulong. Score po natin 16-9 in favor of Enrile. Alright. So, shout out po again sa lahat ng ating mga live viewers. You are watching the Apong Volleyball, the All Cagayano Conference, the biggest volleyball league in the province. So, tuloy-tuloy po ang laro hanggang December 30, mga kaibigan. So, continue following and sharing the Apong Volleyball page. Now, Maborang serving. Quick attack! Yes, sir! Again, Lumabaw. Gumagana ngayon ang middle hitter ng Amulong. Now, number 19. Serving. Targeting the libero of Enrile. Open. Block. Naitas pa rin ang bola. That 4 touches, mga kaibigan, on the side of Enrile. Score po natin 11-16. 5 na lang ang kailangang habulin ng Amulong. Pamitan. Kanino kaya? Ayan, opposite. Jerwin Danao. Oh! Grabe. Grabe ang depensa. Bantay sarado ang opensa ng Amulong ngayon. Halos walang palusutin na bola. Simangan. Receive. Yes, sir! Again, the middle blocker of Amulong, Lumabaw, wearing jersey number 9 for that hit. 12-17, mga kaibigan, ng ating score. Lumabaw to the leader. Setter to the opposite. Oh! Alright, hindi po naitawid ang bola ng opposite hitter ng Enrile. Still on the service line, Lumabaw. Opposite ulit, pinabawian. Tukulog. Pero naitas ang bola. Chance ball. Simangan. To Franz Magno. Lumabaw. Yes, sir. That's an easy point for Franz Magno. Napaka-talented tong batang to. 13-18, mga kaibigan. Lamang pa rin ang Team Enrile. Boom! Takulog for that 3-man block. But he was able to break down the wall of Enrile. 14-18, mga kaibigan. Franz Magno. Oh no, it's Dalida. Single hand set. Oh! Courtesy of Frelwin Takulog. That's 15-18 mga kaibigan. Ayan That was a good set and a good communication between the setter and the middle blocker of Enrile. To the open, Simangan. That was a good hit. So point goes to Team Amulong. Score po natin 69. Danao targeting the libero. Iangat ang bola. Shot! And yes, sir! Ganda naman ng cut shot tsaka flippings doon ni Simangan. Talagang iniwas doon sa mga kamay ng mga blockers ng Enrile. Still on the service line, Danao. Ganda nun, nakuha ng libero. Easy ball. Still! Pinabawian agad ang setter. Yung middle blocker ng Enrile. Courtesy of Basig wearing jersey number 5. Good receive. Frelwin Takulog. Woo! Score mo natin mga kaibigan, 18-20. Jump serve. Patong. Nandun si Simangan. Naiangat ang bola. Pero there was a net. That point goes to Team Amulong. So 19-20 mga kaibigan ang score natin. Isa na lang. Takulog serving. Short service. May block doon. Sherwin Danao trying to set for Simangan. Oh! Now, the score is 21-19. Hindi naitawid ng ang bola ng Amulong. Now, Dalida serving for Enrile. The libero was there. Now, Danao. Takulog. Pamitan. Oh! That goes outside. Hindi nahabol ng setter. Sana lang mga kaibigan ang kalamangan ng Enrile kontra Amulong. Now, Simangan. Open. Franz Magno. Oh! Breaks down the walls of Amulong. 22-20 mga kaibigan. Maborang. Ito Simangan. Itaas ang bola. Magno. Good. Dalida. To Franz Magno. That spin. Hindi na ipaabot ni Franz ang bola sa kamay ng mga blockers. So that goes outside mga kaibigan. 21-22. Isa na lang mga kaibigan ang labang ng Amulong. Boom! What a head by Guzman wearing jersey number 8 ng Enrile mga kaibigan. Grabe. Service. Takulog. Oh! Power tip mga kaibigan. Hindi hinahayaan na makalayo at tuluyan na ngang tapusin ng Enrile ang larong ito, ang Team Amulong. Franz Magno block! Oh! What a monster block mga kaibigan. Hindi binitawan ni Jerwin Danawa ang net for that defense kontra kaya Franz Magno. Grabe. Warning point for both teams, all 23 mga kaibigan. Next game po natin, Alcala versus Igig. Now, lumabaw. Nasa service line. That's inside! Grabe! Communication on the ball trajectory for the service of Amulong. 24-23 mga kaibigan. Match point! Dalida to the opposite. Jerwin Danao, pamitan. Binigay, Franz Magno. Nandun pa rin si Simangan. Chance ball naman ngayon. Gakutan, tingnan natin. Nandun si pamitan, binigay sa open. Oh! What a block! Grabe, Team Amulong hindi nga bumitaw mga kaibigan. Table turn, sika nga nila. Scoreboard natin 25-23. Grabe, napaluhod na lang si Franz. He's trying to fight for that point. But unfortunately, nandun nga si Jerwin Danao. Still, that was a good fight played between Team Amulong and Team Enrile. Grabe mga kaibigan. Congratulations